Welcome to our popular educational channel RES Classes. Today I am going to tell about the project Snow Leopard. This project was launched in February 2009 by the Ministry of Environment and Forest to provide safeguard and to conserve India's unique natural heritage of high-altitude wildlife populations, snow leopard, their habitats by promoting conservation through participatory policies and actions. It has been catalyzed by Nature Conservation Foundation (NCF) and involves government and non-governmental stakeholders from the states. The project covers an area of 75,000 square kilometers extending in 5 Himalayan states through major portion of the project area falls in Jammu and Kashmir. According to estimates, 60% of the project area is in Jammu and Kashmir as well as in Ladakh. 22% of the project area is in Himachal Pradesh and 11% of the project area is in Uttaranchal. 5% of the project area is in Arunachal Pradesh. Species such as snow leopard, Asiatic ibex, Tibetan argyl, Ladakh urial, chiru, takin, siro, and musk deer will particularly benefit from this project. The snow leopard is one of the India's 5 big cats amongst the Royal Bengal tiger, Asiatic lion, Indian leopard, and the clouded leopard. The snow leopard usually occurs at an altitude of more than 2700 meters above sea level, and it is the apex predator in the Himalayan region, along with the Tibetan wolf. It is a project not only to protect the snow leopard, but as with Project Tiger, it is considered an umbrella species, and with its protection comes the protection of other species and the habitat which they are all a part of. India is home to an estimated 10% of the global snow leopard population spread across 5 Himalayan states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Each of the 5 range states will identify one landscape under the project. The 3 identified such landscapes ranging around 47,000 square kilometers of the area. Hemis Spiti in Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, Gangotri Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, Kanchenjunga Tawang in Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. In 1972, the International Union for the Conservation of Nature (IUCN) placed the snow leopard on its red list of threatened species as endangered. In 2017, status of snow leopard in the red list of the IUCN was changed from endangered to vulnerable. Snow leopard is in the list of 21 critically endangered species for the recovery program of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change of Indian government. Snow leopards are also listed in the Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. They are listed in Appendix 1 of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species (CITES) and the Convention on Migratory Species (CMS), revealing the need for the highest conservation status to the species both globally and in India. The Ladakh region is setting an example for the rest of the country to protect the endangered snow leopard. It is estimated that there are more than 400 wild cats within the Indian territory in Ladakh. With the help of local people, the Wildlife Department, and several non-governmental organizations (NGOs) succeeded in preventing human-animal conflict and discouraged killing of the exotic wild cats or snow leopards found in Trans-Himalayan Karakoram mountains of the region and Central Asia. In 2005, the Snow Leopard Conservancy established a partnership with the Pune-based NGO Kalpvriksh to develop a community-based environmental education program for rural Ladakh focused on conservation of snow leopards and other wildlife of the local Trans-Himalayan region. For this program, Kalpvriksh developed an educator's handbook and locally relevant educational material, posters and games for classes 4 to 8. In 2007, officials in the state of Jammu and Kashmir Education Department requested these teaching tools be made available to all government schools in the region. Top 3 national parks in India where the snow leopard can usually seen are Kibar Wildlife Sanctuary in Himachal Pradesh, Ule Valley in Ladakh, Hemis National Park in Himachal Pradesh. On 22nd October 2019, India for the first time held the Global Snow Leopard and Ecosystem Program GSLEP at Delhi under the aegis of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change MOEF. The GSLEP is a high-level intergovernmental alliance of all the 12 snow leopard range countries. The snow leopard countries, namely India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Mongolia, Russia, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. It majorly focuses on the need for awareness and understanding of the value of snow leopard for the ecosystem. The GSLEP program 2019 was organized by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change at New Delhi. The steering committee meetings of GSLEP is currently chaired by Nepal and co-chaired by Kyrgyzstan. The inaugural session of the 4th Steering Committee meeting of the Global Snow Leopard and Ecosystem Protection GSLEP program also marked the launch of the first national protocol on snow leopard population assessment to mark the occasion of International Snow Leopard Day 23rd October. First Snow Leopard Survey. The first National Snow Leopard Survey of the National has been developed by the scientific experts in association with the snow leopard states or union territories, namely Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. The use of technology such as camera traps and scientific surveys will help to estimate the numbers. Ultimately, we can say that the project Snow Leopard is a national project for conservation of high-altitude Himalayan wildlife which aims to set up model conservation. Rest in next video. For more and more videos and information, please subscribe, like and share our videos and our channel RES Classes. Wishing you bright future. Thanking you.